What's up everyone, Nick at MarineMax in Crosslake here showing you a 2024 Barletta Corsa QC. In the bow area here we have some really nice lounging with our folding armrests. We do have the LED cup holders as well. We also have USB and USB-C charging ports with that nice Audison speaker system throughout this entire boat. You'll also see the advanced stitching here that's unique to just the Corsa model. In the midship of the boat, we have our nice folding table that is right in front of that co-captain's chair, as well as our storage locker in that center tune for our cover, poles, life jackets, towels, backpacks, whatever you may be bringing with you on that day of boating. On the driver's side, we have that nice raised helm as well. All of our controls are on either side of the steering wheel. We have the classic analog gauges, as well as that 7-inch Simrad screen. Right now, you can control your motor behavior. This boat also does have the active trim control throttle, which is very nice. Basically, that's going to control the trim of that motor. It's just one less thing that you have to worry about when that's engaged. Now in the rear of the boat, we do have that traditional pontoon seating, and that's what that Q stands for, is our quad seating arrangement. Very similar to the front. We've got those LED cup holders, the Audison speakers, folding armrests, as well as charging ports. You can see this boat on our website at marinemax.com, ccboatworks.com, or you can stop in today and see this boat for yourself.